Want to open zip files directly from Telegram? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to access the contents of zip archives you receive on Telegram, and you'll walk away feeling confident every time you need to work with compressed files, no matter what system you're on. Let's jump right in. If you're using Telegram on your desktop, whether that's Windows, Mac, or even Linux, the process is refreshingly straightforward. That's because desktop computers come equipped with reliable file extraction tools right out of the box, making it easy to handle zip files without breaking a sweat. First up, you'll want to download the file from Telegram desktop. In your chat window, look for the zip file attachment. It usually has a little archive icon next to it. Click the download button and watch for that progress circle to finish up. It's always a good idea to wait until the download is completely finished before moving on, especially if the file is large or your internet is a bit spotty. If you don't, you might end up with an incomplete archive that just won't open. Once the file's downloaded, you'll notice it's saved somewhere on your computer, often in your Downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different spot. Here, where the magic happens, on Windows, simply right-click the downloaded zip file. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option called Extract All. If you're familiar with unpacking a suitcase after a trip, think of this step as opening the suitcase and laying out all your clothes to see what you've got inside. On Mac, it's even simpler. Just double-click the zip file and the system will automatically start extracting it for you. It'll make a new folder right next to your zip archive, and inside will be everything your friend or colleague sent you. Now you'll be prompted to choose a destination for the extracted files. This is kind of like picking which drawer you want your clean laundry to go in. You can select the default location or browse for a specific folder if you prefer a certain spot for your files. Once you've picked where you want everything to land, hit Extract on Windows or let your Mac take care of it. In a matter of seconds, sometimes a little longer if the archive is really hefty, you'll have full access to all the files contained inside the zip. It's important to note, most zip files open without any fuss on standard operating systems, but occasionally you might run into more complex archives. For example, maybe someone sent you a multi-part file or an archive in a less common format. In these cases, your computer's built-in tools might throw up their hands and say, "Sorry, I'm not sure how to open this." That's when specialized tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR come in handy. These free apps can handle almost any type of compressed file you'll encounter, whether it's a split archive, a password-protected zip, or something beyond the usual. Installing one is easy, and once you've got it, opening advanced archives is just as simple as the process we covered earlier. And there you go, with just a few clicks, you'll be opening zip files from Telegram like a pro. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, ask any questions you have down below in the comments, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun exploring your newly unzipped files.